last, the home extension that ticks all the boxes. Flexible design and layout options. 50% faster on-site construction saves up to 30% labour costs. High-performance insulation results in superior thermal values. A wide choice of external facades and interior finishes. State-of-the-art energy-efficient construction methods. Factory-built for consistently high quality. Quick, clean and easy, can be installed in 5 days. Both products fully approved by Building Control. Guaranteed thermal performance for long-term energy savings. Introducing the Guardian Home Extension, the result of extensive research and development, which brings two high-quality products together to create an amazing energy-efficient home extension. Two giants of the UK building industry, Kingspan and Guardian, have joined forces to construct a brilliant alternative to the traditional bricks and mortar home extension. The Guardian Home Extension is pre-assembled in our high-tech manufacturing base, guaranteeing consistently high quality and saving installation time and cost, creating a comfortable and affordable living space for your home. And here's our step-by-step guide to exactly how the Guardian Home Extension is designed, built and installed. Days 1 and 2. First of all, the base is laid to the correct specification. A waterproof seal is then added to the exterior perimeter. The sole plates are installed using anchor bolt and washer. The upper sole is then secured using galvanized nails. The wall plate is secured to the house using appropriate fixings for the building. These plates will form the watertight seal to external walls and floor. Sealant is applied for super adhesion. Now it's time to introduce the Kingspan Tech panels. Each panel is fixed in a logical procedure. Expanding urethane sealant is used between the panels for superior air tightness. Each panel is secured to the previous one with galvanized nails. Window and door openings can be specified to your exact requirements. Tech panels are typically 1.2 meters wide and are pre-cut to suit the exact dimensions of your extension. The process of adding more Kingspan Tech panels continues. Corner joints are nailed together to ensure structural strength. As each wall is completed, window frames are positioned and fixed in place. This process continues until all walls, door and window frames are installed. All lintels are structurally calculated to allow for maximum openings. Days 3 and 4. Now it's time to begin work on the roof. First of all, a structural ring beam is sealed and secured to the top of the Kingspan Tech panels. Angle steel brackets are positioned along the roofline in readiness for the lightweight aluminium frame. The aluminium rafters, ridges and wall plates are fitted and the spider arms are secured. Structural weatherproof plyboard is added and fixed at 200mm centres. The Guardian breathable waterproof membrane is laid over the plyboard and secured in place using a staple gun. Your chosen tile is then added. This ensures total weather tightness to allow faster internal fit-out. If you've specified roof windows, the frames will also be fitted at this stage. The Guardian Esprit shingle, which has been specifically designed for the Guardian roof, carries a 40-year guarantee. Timber battens are fixed to the roof at the ridge and hip joints. Ridge caps, ends and crowns are then attached to the prefixed battens. As per our thermal U value and condensation risk reports, the Guardian roof allows adequate ventilation to eliminate any risk of condensation. Day 5. Moving back to the inside of the extension, 40mm of insulation is installed between the rafters, leaving an air gap for ventilation. Timber battens are secured, ready to receive another layer of 25mm insulation, and aluminium foil tape is applied to all joints to ensure air tightness. 72mm insulated plasterboard is installed, ready for internal taping and plaster. Our breathable waterproof membrane is applied before timber battens are then secured to the outer surface. Your chosen external finish is then applied. Whatever style or look you have in mind, we always ensure adequate ventilation is considered. The roof tile is available in black, scarlet, charcoal, brown, green. An alternative option is the Guardian Roof Slate, offering the aesthetic appeal of natural slate. The Guardian Slate is available in terracotta, grey, mulberry, brown, black. We're almost finished now, so let's take another look inside and see what happens next. Internal electrics and plumbing are added before the walls are plastered to your exact specification. The overall appearance is just as you imagined, and your brand new extended living area is now ready for you to use and enjoy. This ultra-modern system is fully customizable with a superior choice of external wall and roof options. The Guardian Home Extension is an excellent and efficient way to add extra living space to your home, but it's vitally important that you choose one of our official Team Guardian members who've been fully trained and approved to install the Guardian Home Extension. To find out more, please call or email